Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Infiniti G37. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked before you begin. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and ensure it is in discovery mode, ready to be found. Then, navigate to your car's audio system and locate the Settings or Setup menu. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth pairing process. Once in the settings, select the Bluetooth option. You will then need to choose Add New Device or Pair Device from the available options. Your car's system will display a pairing code. Verify that this code matches the one appearing on your phone screen. Confirm the connection on both devices to proceed with the pairing. After confirming the pairing code, allow a few moments for your phone to fully connect to the Infiniti G37 system. Once connected, test the audio by playing music or making a quick call to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and the car's audio system. Sometimes, a simple reset resolves minor glitches. Now that your device is connected, you can enjoy seamless music streaming and hands-free calling through your Infiniti G37's audio system. Your phone should automatically reconnect each time you enter the vehicle, making future use effortless. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.